Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Bish'S RV right here in Calera, Alabama. Oh wow, we got something really great here. It's a 2026 Alliance Avenue, model number 35RKS, so let's get started. The length on this avenue is 36 feet 10 inches, the dry weight is 11,450 pounds, with a hitch weight of 2,400. With a GVWR of 14,995.
Yes, guys, so we are excited to be at Bish's actually second grand opening. They have moved to a much larger location, and we wanted to bring you some of their inventory here. So this is going to be the Alliance Avenue, and right up here at the front, see that you do have some really great storage area. Your batteries are going to go over there on the side. And coming down through here, now this one has got 4-point electric stabilizing leveling jacks. Propane tank right here.
Oh yeah.
Hookups are going to be in here. See that you do have a filtration system. Your pull tanks, pull valves for your tanks are in here. Really nicely finished out storage area here with lights. And you do have this great access panel right here. So if you need to get to anything, you just pull it out and you're right there at it.
That's really cool.
Super, super nice. Also, this is going to tell you, give you your controls for your slide outs are going to be under here, so you can see where they are.
Yeah.
You are going to have a dump area right down here, and your freshwater drain.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Your slide here is going to be a rack and pinion slide.
I've heard a lot of good things about Alliance.
Yeah. I know their customer service is great, and we were actually able to visit them in Indiana a couple of years ago. So you got another dump area here, and you see that you are going to have a storage for your sewer line hose. On the back, you've got a ladder to access your roof, and Alliance has really great ladders. They are not the flimsy ones. It is also going to be rated for towing up to 3,000 pounds. Just be careful if you choose to tow. And it is prepped for a backup camera. Coming here on the front, you are also going to have another rack and pinion slide. Sorry, we do not have the awning links. We were not able to locate those, but you do have two nice big awnings on your campsite. This is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. Again, just great slide out controls in here, and you can also bring a TV out if you would like, and your other propane tank. You do have a propane quick connect right over there. So let's go take a look at this one.
35RKS.
Alright. So this is, I guess you would actually call this a little more the traditional rear kitchen layout. We'll get to this living room here in just a second, but let's go ahead and start back here in the kitchen. Right off the bat, you're going to see that this does give you solid surface countertops in here, which is absolutely amazing. Your heating is going to be in your cabinetry in here. I love that they give you a plug-in right at the end here, where you can use it for either in the kitchen or from the living room. Something I also love about Alliance, the 101 inch wide, so that gives you a little more space.
And you know it when you get inside of one.
Yes, you would think those few inches don't make a difference, but yes, they do. Great drawers right here. Nice cabinet space.
Little drawer.
Yes. And all of your storage up above. Nice big, big microwave. Yes, I love that they pointed out that it is a 30-inch residential microwave, just in case you needed to know that. You are going to have your 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and I love that they give you the matching pots and pans drawer.
You know, I was thinking about this the other day. What's a good way if you're on a lot and you want to measure how big the cabinets are?
Yeah, see if the turntable will fit.
Fit, yes.
So
I saw that and I went, well, that is a really great idea. That didn't cost anything.
I have not thought about that, but that is a great idea. While I'm standing under it, let me go ahead and show you. There is one of your ACs, and then the other is going to be right there, right in front of your entertainment center. Now at the back, you do have some storage back here. Again, just this excellent counter space. You have plug-ins underneath. There's one under there, one under there. Huge area under the sink, plenty of room to add a garbage can, high-rise faucet, pull-down sprayer.
Nice window right there.
Yes, I love the window. As you can see, we are stacked in this lot. They got the inventory for sure.
Yes.
Huge area up above the fridge.
I could lose my nutty bars up there.
Yeah. Also going to give you this side-by-side fridge.
Yeah. There we go.
And then right over here is going to be your pantry.
Nice.
With the adjustable shelves, and it does have the motion light in it. Very
really
nice.
nice.
And I like the frosted glass so that you can't see all your stuff. And I mean, why not add just a little more storage right there where you can? But then something that Alliance is also known for are their huge atrium windows. And this one is definitely definitely showcases that. So right here with your freestanding table and chairs, you have this massive window so you can sit and enjoy your campground. Now, what I love about this living area, and we're seeing this layout with the big L-shaped sofa,
yes.
which is great and it's wonderful, but you do have to disassemble it whenever you get ready to go somewhere. So if you want all of the seating with a lot less work, this is a great layout.
This would be a good layout
to check out. So you've got your sofa over here that's going to sleep, a couple, your theater seating right in front of your giant TV. And then you have another sofa over here that's going to also be a sleeper. Wow. Okay. This just gives you a massive, this has got to be a 65-inch.
Yes,
TV.
ma'am, it is.
It is huge. Then you have this really nice big electric fireplace down here for those cooler mornings. But then they give you even more storage.
All of this.
Above. Yeah, that's very big storage. Now, it's not important to us, but it could be important to some that it is prepped for Starlink. So, just in case you need to. Oh yes, I almost forgot about the little pull-out storage there. Alright.
Wow.
Excuse me, guys.
And all the lights in here can be on dimmers. Everything.
Yes, and I love that they give you switches too.
Yes.
Actual switches. So, yeah, and that's going to be all right here as you come in the door where you can get to it. Coming on up the stairs.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Love the one-piece showers. They are just amazing. And we are at their open house, so we're hoping that we're not going to have any music in the background that we're going to have to do something about.
It's 30 by 48.
30 by 48.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Whoop. You got box up here for towels, robes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got some storage.
Boop-a-doo.
And this is going to get the golden plunger.
Golden plunger.
Because, yes, you got the big shower, foot flush toilet, solid surface in the bathroom, which you don't see a lot of times. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Say that 5 times real fast. And then some more storage underneath the sink. So, yeah, I mean, good Good leg room in here, so yeah, it gets it for
Golden
sure.
plunger.
Okay, moving into the front, into the main bedroom. You do have a king size bed in here. I love that they give you the sticker so we don't have to guess what everything is. So they do have USB charging here. You also have a plug-in. They give you some lights up here above. Nice padded headboard, so if you like to sit up to read, you can do that. Here is your third AC unit.
Let's see what we got under here.
Looking
All
underneath,
right.
you have really nice storage under the bed. And I love that they finished that out. You know, some of them give you like just plain plywood looking stuff.
Yeah. Well, OSB.
Yeah. So at the foot of the bed, you've got a 4-drawer dresser with some hidden storage. And over here, you are going to have a little seat area that is also storage, so you can sit there and put your shoes on. Stash your extra blankets or pillows in there. But now when I back up to show you this closet, oh, I love this closet.
Oh, wow.
I love the shelves in it because you can stick your shoes back there, and it is spring in the south, and I am on a shoe buying tangent right now, so we need that for all my shoes.
Yep.
Got a nice hanging area, shelves over here. Let's see, where is, yeah, over here prepped for your washer, so your dryer will go over on this side. And I hope I didn't make y'all too dizzy just by swinging that around.
And I also want to say, this is actually really cool. They put the light switch for the, it's over here.
Huh.
You know,
Yeah.
you know, most of the time they might put them on the wall
On the
or something,
wall.
but it's right here on
Yeah.
this.
Speaking of the wall,
Huh.
you can put your extra TV up there. And again, I was just looking at how wide that entry door is. But again, you have the 101 wide body, so all of those little inches make a big difference.
Yes, they do.
All right, guys, tell us what you think about this Alliance Avenue.
Well, I'm just going to tell you my opinion. I kind of like it. Then again, I like all of them.
Yeah. Hey, and if you want something that gets a golden plunger, check out Liquefied.
Yes. Get down in the description, Liquefied. We can get you 15% off on your order. All right, everybody. If you like this avenue, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.